on, we gonna get this cat. She a bully. She's just gonna eat your food. Come on. Look at her. She just sitting there. She ain't moving nothing. Look at her. She just eating all the food. Ain't moving. This twin. You just gonna sit there, twin? Where you at, Smoke? Look, Smokey back at the door. I'm trying to help you. And she back at the door. Peeking in. Because she wants some more food. Because she letting this one just eat all her food up. Look at her. Really? Yeah, get your ass on. Eat my baby food up like that. Yeah, I said it. Go. Ooh, she hunched her back. Oh, I'm scared. I was just kidding. Where you at, Smokey? I'm finna get attacked because I'm trying to help you out. Go. Eat your food. Ooh. Ooh, no you didn't. I just helped you. I just helped you, look at her. Look, she back eating the shit again. Look at her. She get... Ooh. No, she didn't. Smokey, you need to stop being a punk. Smokey, go. Get your food. Oh my God. Now he or she done now. You little bastard. Ooh-wee. You a bold one. Smokey, you better start snapping on these little cats. Yeah, meow, nothing.